Hi there! So we've had a long spell of monsoon here in Mumbai, which was fun, but what follows post-monsoon is extreme humidity, pollution and heat. My old window AC was struggling to cool my room, plus the electricity bills were also very heavy on my pocket. So I thought it's time to upgrade. We got ourselves the all-new higher inverter split air conditioner. So this is a 1.6 ton, 5-star heavy-duty split air conditioner and it's priced at just 47,990. It comes with Hexa Inverter technology that achieves high working efficiency and saves up to 60% energy compared to conventional air conditioners. Apart from that, we get a whole host of smart features. There's Alexa and Google voice control, there's 4-way swing support, you get frost self-cleaning support, there's app control, it also will auto turn on in case of an electricity cut. Then we also get Wi-Fi connectivity support, which technically means you can control the air conditioner right from your phone, anytime and from anywhere. Trust me, there's still more. I've been using this air conditioner for about a month. Let me share everything in detail, the unboxing, the installation and the user experience. By the way, we stay on the top floor of our building, which essentially means our apartment gets really hot in the summers compared to apartments on lower floors. So my experience will truly give you an idea how this AC performs. Let's begin. So we'll start with an unboxing and installation. So here are the air conditioner units, indoor unit on the top and the outdoor unit below. The model number of the indoor unit is mentioned here along with the MRP, but don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. Yes, it also comes with 5-star energy saving rating, so drastic drop in your electricity bill compared to your regular ACs. This is the box of the outdoor unit. The device details are mentioned here as well. Now Haier sent 2 technicians to our home for the installation. I highly recommend you do not unbox this yourself. The Haier team is very professional and they know how to handle the setup process very well. They measure the back plate to make sure it aligns perfectly in the spot you want to set up the indoor unit. They have all the necessary tools needed for a perfect setup, including the use of a dust collection bag to minimize dust and pebbles while drilling a hole. Now the drilling time might differ from place to place and depending on the wall width. In my case, it took about 10 to 15 minutes to drill through for piping purposes. There you go, finally done. Once done, the outdoor unit was also simultaneously unboxed. I must say, Haier's product quality and the attention to detail are truly commendable. You can spot the fan and the Haier branding on the outdoor unit. The stickers are removed from the indoor unit. Anti-corrosive blue fins and anti-corrosive copper tubes. The build quality is truly brilliant. So inside the box we have some documentation and some paperwork. Let's have a closer look. So of course, right on the top is the remote, which we'll check out a little later. Then you have 2 AAA batteries. Then you have lots of paperwork. First, of course, is the Wi-Fi function description. You can also download the companion app using the QR code. Then you have this paper which says 12 years of warranty. Then you have some details about warning, how to set up, how to start using. The usual paperwork and guidelines are provided. All right, it's time to fix the indoor unit. Now once done, the pipes are being connected. And finally the filters are attached and the lid is closed. Now it's time to place the outdoor unit. We placed it inside our window grill. By the way, you can also opt for an outdoor stand, which the technician will bring along in case you need it. Then fitting and concealing the pipes. The whole installation process took about 2 hours. There you go, all set and ready to use. Let's remove the plastic protection. Now the first thing I must start is how aesthetic and pleasing the indoor unit looks. The main body is milky white with a touch of rose gold strip on the front. And if you look closely, there is also a ring-like design on the sides. Frankly, it matches perfectly in my room, like it was built for this place. There's a heavy-duty logo on the left and towards the right is the DC inverter logo, 5-star energy saving sticker on the top, and the temperature display, which is bright and bold enough to be seen even from a distance. Don't worry, the display can be turned off from the remote at night in case you think it's too bright and disturbing. It comes with 4-way swing, up and down, vertical swing, and inside there is a left and right horizontal swing, both of which can be controlled and adjusted from the remote as per your preference. Alright, it's eventually an air conditioner and we all want to know about the cooling. It comes with supersonic cooling and once you turn it on, in barely 10 seconds it starts producing chilled air. It cooled my room on a hot sunny day in less than 5 minutes. Trust me, I've never needed to go below 24 degrees ever since I bought this air conditioner. The performance way surpassed my expectations. Also, coming from a window AC, it was super silent. We checked out the decibel meter on the app on our phone and it stayed around 40 decibels. Now I truly understand the meaning of sleeping like a baby. By the way, the airflow goes as long as 20 meters, which leads to equal and well-spread cooling in the room. Specially designed Hyper PCB protects the air conditioner components from external factors and can cool even at 60 degrees Celsius. So if you're thinking of buying an AC for the Delhi summers where the temperature hits 50 degrees, the Haier Inverter AC will work like a breeze. Alright, let's share some technical stuff as well. So the refrigerant used in the Haier AC is R32 and this is a 1.6 ton variant and has a cooling capacity of 5460 watts, and to put that in reference, enough to cool a 250 square feet room. It comes with 100% copper groove pipes, which helps the compressor avoid unexpected damages to have a longer life. Also, heat exchange efficiency is increased by 30 to 50%. Now this is a Hexa inverter. It's a highly robust design that provides additional powerful performance. Then it comes with IntelliConvertible 7-in-1, which gives you the flexibility to increase or decrease the AC's cooling capacity as per your need. Let me explain in detail. So on the remote, you'll find the turbo mode. When pressed, it boosts the AC cooling capacity to 110%. Press again and it goes into quiet mode. Then there's an eco button where L1, which reduces the AC capacity to 75%, which is ideal during monsoons. Then there's L2, which reduces the compressor capacity to 55%. And then there's L3, which reduces the capacity to just 40%. The benefit of this is it's quieter and will drastically help reduce your electricity bill. Then it also comes with frost self-cleaning feature, which is like self-clean. The process takes about 21 minutes and you can enable it from the AC's remote itself. What essentially happens is that a frost is formed on the AC's evaporator, which traps all the dust on the coil and it washes out all the dirt. So you get actual indoor wet wash, which provides clean, healthy air to breathe. Don't think I've seen this feature on any AC ever before. It's truly smart. Talking about smart, you can access and control your air conditioner from the Haier Smart app, which is available on both Android and iOS. Here you can adjust the temperature, you can change the mode, cool, fan, dry, wind speed. Basically the fan speed of the indoor unit can be adjusted. If confused, you can also set it to auto, adjust the swing from here, and here you can actually also set what time the AC should turn on or off, including the temperature you want it at. Then sleep curve shows you the temperature pattern in graph. Check out the filter condition. Then on the home page, you can share this device and control it with others in your family. Then third-party service includes voice control from Alexa and Google Assistant. We've actually already set it up with Alexa and trust me, it comes really handy. Ask Alexa to turn it on, turn it off, change the temperature, everything all hands-free. But remember, you will need an Alexa speaker for this to work. A quick look at the remote. So it's light and compact. It comes with a display which also is backlit to see in the dark or night. You can see the temperature with the airspeed and some more info. You can spot all the buttons at the bottom. It's clean, simple and really easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. If you're looking for a split air conditioner that's smart, that's premium, it's well built, silent, cools instantly, doesn't burn a hole in your pocket and also helps you reduce electricity bill, I would highly recommend you check out the Haier Inverter air conditioner. As mentioned in the beginning, my apartment gets really hot in the summers since I stay on the top floor. Well, not anymore. It super cools in just a couple of minutes. Absolutely life-saving. This 1.6 ton variant of the Haier AC is priced at 47,990. I'll share the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.